A crypto on-ramp platform is urging its users to take their money off the platform immediately, and Binance is facing the SEC. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. NFT marketplace Magic Eden has pledged to refund all users who were duped into purchasing fake NFTs on its website as a result of an exploit yesterday. In a January 4th statement, the company said a bug in its newly deployed activity indexer for its Snappy marketplace and pro trade tools essentially allowed fake NFTs to skirt verification and get listed alongside genuine NFT collections. Magic Eden said the exploit led to 25 fraudulent NFTs sold across 4 collections in the last 24 hours, but is currently confirming whether additional NFTs were affected beyond the last day. 2 of the affected projects were the high-priced and popular Solana-based collections ABC and Utes. The NFT platform said it has rectified the issue by temporarily disabling both tools and eliminating the entry points that allowed unverified NFTs to get through. It also asked users to perform a hard refresh to ensure that unverified listings no longer show up in their browser session and shut down the purchase of unverified NFTs as a precaution. They wrote, "Magic Eden is safe for trading, and we will refund all users who mistakenly bought unverified NFTs specifically due to the issue." A screenshot from ABC creator HGE showed at least 2 sales worth 100 Solana each, a total amount of around $2,600. DGods, the creators of Utes, also tweeted to its followers that there was an exploit on Magic Eden that allowed unverified NFTs to be listed as part of the collection. For an in-depth article on Magic Eden, check out the articles on our website, which I'll put in the recommended reading down below. Ethereum whale accumulation has picked up as the whale transaction count has risen to its highest levels since December 16th. The recent increase in whale interest comes amid the very modest relief rally engineered by ETH since January 1st. Whale accumulation has seen a dramatic surge since January 3rd. According to the chart, the highest level of transactions occurred yesterday, as up to 611 ETH transactions worth over 100K were recorded in just 4 hours. The blockchain surveillance system Whale Alert highlighted over $154 million worth of ETH movements since January 1st. Besides large whales, small and medium-sized ETH holders have been adding to their bags since December last year. Polygon Defi has been taking off. Juno Analytics shows massive volume flowing through Polygon dexes with a huge increase in the past 24 hours. These huge increases are in unique active wallets connecting with Polygon exchanges. There are double-digit rises in unique active wallets as users and cash flood to Polygon dexes. Uniswap, Balancer, Dodo, Kyberswap, Hot Protocol, and OKX dex are all up double-digit percentage users. DeFi Llama shows Polygon TVL going up by more than 50 million in a week. It seems the market is responding well to Polygon's performance by putting money into the network. Fiat to crypto on-ramp solution provider Juno has urged its users to sell or self-custody the crypto on its platform, citing uncertainty with its crypto custodian partner, Wire. In a tweet on January 4th, the platform explained that it doesn't hold any of its customers' crypto, and it relies on its crypto partner for those services. They wrote, "Due to uncertainty with our crypto partner, we have taken preemptive action in the interest of our customers," adding that it's also actively reaching out to customers to ask them to self-custody. The crypto partner in question is Wire, a regulated money service business in the United States. Earlier this week, the CEO of Wire reportedly told employees that the firm will need to unwind over the next couple of weeks. Juno said in its latest Twitter thread that there is still $1.25 million worth of crypto assets held on the platform, and it has been reaching out to customers to encourage them to self-custody their holdings. Juno has also increased daily withdrawal limits 5-fold for all metal account holders, its highest account tier. Juno said it plans to transition to a new crypto partner, but has yet to release information on what partner and when the transition will be finalized. It added that it is working to restart crypto buying and deposits as soon as possible. BONK, a meme token modeled after Shiba Inu that launched on December 25th, is skyrocketing, and some traders believe the token trading volume is potentially driving Solana's price up. Over the past 48 hours, Sol price has gained 34% and BONK has climbed 117%. According to the project's website, BONK is the first dog token on the Solana blockchain. Initially, 50% of the token supply was airdropped to Solana users with a mission to remove toxic Alameda-style token economics. The airdrop resulted in more than $20 million in trading volume, according to the Solana decentralized exchange Orca. Blockchains like Solana benefit from increased usage. After the FTX collapse, Solana saw multiple projects leaving the ecosystem. On January 4th, Solana saw an 18.6% increase in 24-hour fees and a 15.8% increase in 24-hour daily active users. Currently, BONK is traded on Mexi Global, Huobi, Bitget, and Bybit. The dog coin, similar to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, has experienced double-digit rises basically every day for the past 5 days, helping to raise the price of Solana in the process. One thing to keep in mind, according to a Dune dashboard, the top 20 holders of BONK account for nearly 50% of the total circulating supply, causing the community to be wary of a pump and up scheme occurrence in the future. Like we said yesterday, be careful when trading meme coins like this. The United States Department of Justice has reportedly seized more than $400 million worth of Robinhood shares linked to FTX as part of the case against the crypto exchange. U.S. officials told the judge they were in the process of seizing assets tied to FTX and his former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, which include 56 million shares of Robinhood, which are worth roughly $468 million. The report comes a day after the judge in the criminal case against Sam Bankman-Fried ordered him to not access or transfer any cryptocurrency or assets from FTX or Alameda. Amid FTX's bankruptcy proceedings, control of the Robinhood shares has been under contention as many investors and creditors look to be made whole. BlockFi, Bankman-Fried, and FTX have all staked claims to the assets. The United States SEC has filed a limited objection to crypto exchange Binance US's proposed $1 billion takeover of bankrupt crypto lender Voyager Digital, citing a lack of necessary information. The limited objection was filed on January 4th, with the SEC pointing to a lack of detail regarding Binance US's ability to fund the acquisition, as well as what Binance US's operations would look like following the deal and how customer assets will be secure during and after the transaction. A limited objection is similar to a normal objection, but only applies to a specific part of the proceedings. Additionally, the regulator also wants Voyager to provide more detail on what would happen should the transaction not be finished by April 18th. In its filing, the SEC said it already communicated its concerns with Voyager, and the lender intends to file a revised disclosure statement prior to the hearing on the matter. Some commentators interpreted the objection as the SEC suggesting Binance US would not be able to afford the acquisition without some untoward dealing, such as receiving funds from Binance Global's entity. While Binance CEO CZ has publicly stated that Binance US was a fully independent entity, an October 17th Reuters report alleged that the US entity acts more like a de facto subsidiary that was created to insulate Binance from U.S. regulators. Voyager announced on December 19th that it agreed to Binance US's bid to acquire its assets in a deal worth more than $1 billion in total. The lender noted in a press release that the bid was the highest and best bid for its assets, which would maximize the value returned to customers and creditors on an expedited timeframe. For more articles on Binance, check out the links in the recommended reading as well. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.